Hi my friends, today we model this part. Not very difficult, but with some tricks. Its name is gasoline filter body, and the drawing is here. The source for this model is from Timoteo Carrera Soto. You see here the assembly, which has this body. Dimensions for it are right here. There are some errors. For instance, this dimension of 12 at a distance of 12 is only for the drawing. Nobody uses this kind of dimensioning. This is resulting 6 and 12. If this is 6, this 2 millimeters is not okay. We'll use a spherical radius of 12 minus 6, which means 6. This is not normal. This is a resulting edge. We don't dimension in a drawing this kind of dimensions. Okay, in my drawing we have a radius spherical here. I don't dimension this edge, they are resulting from the geometry. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrera Soto drawings, and you can download it by watching the tutorial number 182. Let's start by creating this basic cylinder by using dimensions 57, 51, 10 and 12.5. New standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, and this line of 12.5. We go to the right, down, we press the left button to create a fillet, and we go back to close the closed area. This is the axis, and dimensions, as I said, are 51, 57, radius 1 millimeter, and 10. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, and we have the first volume. Next is this tower. Dimensions, diameter of 17, distance 29. We use this plane to create F7, to create a circle with diameter of 17. Finish sketch, extrude, not cut but join the other direction, 30 29. Then we place this protrusion by using dimensions from here. 10, radius 6, and a depth of 6. Then radius 6 spherical, as I mentioned before. We create a new plane based on XY plane and tangent to this cylinder. Sketch, line from this line up, keep pressed the left button and go back to the baseline. Connect this to Y because I want to make these two coincident, these 2 points coincident. Dimensions are 10 and 6. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction of 6. Okay. I hide this plane, I turn the part and I use this face, F7. We have everything here so that we draw only a line, this line, which is a center line. Finish sketch, revolve this area about the known axis. Okay, this is spherical. Good. We continue to create this extrusion, which has dimensions for the profile 15 and radius 10, thickness of 6, starting from this plane. Okay, plane based on this one and tangent to this cylinder. Sketch, line from this basic line up, keep press the left button, go on the same horizontal with the start of this arc, go back and connect the 2 ends. Place the midpoint on the center point, then apply dimensions 15 and radius 10. Finish sketch. Extrude on 6 millimeters. Okay. Visibility, and we have this extrusion. Next extrusion is similar, but the diameter is 17, which means that the radius is half of 17, of course. We use the new face, F7, to apply line up, right, down, and we have this line. We don't draw a bottom line because we have the center. The radius is 17 divided by 2. Finish sketch. What is the distance? 8 millimeters. Extrude this for 8 millimeters. Okay. The next one is also similar. You see this one. Its dimension is diameter of 15. We use the same procedure. Face, sketch, F7. I draw a line from somewhere on the baseline. I go up till I fill this here. I keep pressed the left button. I continue to here and down. Now I make coincident these 2 points and I apply half of 14. We use dimensions in the drawing as much as we can. Finish sketch, extrude this contour to the part. Okay, now we've applied mirror, but let me place here a hole which is mirrored on the other side. The hole is here, 3 millimeters diameter and 5 millimeters is the distance. In the drawing of Timoteo, this is 6, but I observed that in this case we enter in the internal volume and I changed to 5 millimeters. Okay, let's go back. On this face we apply a hole with on this face this diameter, and you see 3 millimeters is the diameter and 5 millimeters is the depth. Okay, we apply mirror as I said of this feature and this feature about the plane XY, and we have here the new feature with the hole inside. This 1, 2, 3 extrusions we mirror by selecting them 1, 2, 3 and using the other plane, this one. Okay, then we have to apply these 2 holes with their dimensions metric 10, 9, 9. This ends at 25 from the face and the other ends to the midplane, this midplane. Okay, the start is from the center of this contour. Hole, threaded, isometric profile, 10 millimeters, with the placement on this face, this center, not full depth, but 9, and 2, the plane to this plane. Okay, the other hole, similar to this one, is placed here with this center, but the distance now is 22. Okay, we can see what is inside by creating a new sketch in this plane. New sketch, F7, and you see what we have here. There is a hole up, and we'll see the result. Control Z, we don't need this sketch, and we continue. To continue, we take a look to the model. We see here another face in the continuation of the cylinder. To create this feature, we have dimensions. They are placed here, radius 7 and distance of 5 from this end line. Okay, let's do this. We create a new plane, a new sketch by using this plane, F7, and we project this line. We draw an arc with a radius 7, to be tangent with the line. Now you see the icon. We place on the same horizontal this point with this end point, and the dimension of 5 is here, 5. I draw a new line between these 2 points to create the area, but this is not enough. We don't want to create only here a cylinder, a revolving volume. We create also a rectangle, as you can see, with this end placed up, aligned with this. The position here is not important. Finish sketch, revolve these 2 closed area, and the axis is Y. Not add, but cut. Okay, now we have that ending face as a cylinder. We continue with the internal volume here by using dimensions, a lot of dimensions, diameters 10, 14, 39, 44, 53, and 5, 7, 9. Don't forget that there is a 0.5 here for this termination, we create this new sketch. XY plane, F7, home, and lines. The first line is this one, the axis. The axis is center line. Then lines 0.5 is this, as you know, and then steps, many steps. One, two, three, 1, 2, which must be on the same horizontal. We go here and a new step to the bottom. We go back and we don't need to connect these 2 points because there is an axis. Dimensions 0.5, five, 7. I hope these two are aligned. Let's see. Seven. Yes, they are. And 9. Diameters. The first is 10. Next, 14. This one is 39. This one is 44. And the last one is 53. Fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve. The contour is already selected because Inventor knows everything, but we have to select cut. Okay. Good. There is a central hole, this one, 23 from the 0.5, diameter of 5. Okay. Hole, we turn back this, face, center, not threaded, 5, not 3, 5 is this, and the depth is 23 from that face. From this face, which is at 0.5 from this. Okay. Good. As you can see here, undimensioned fillets are radius 1. Let's apply these fillets. We start with this one, radius 1, plus, now I select all the other and we'll mirror them to shorten the work, the time of working. Okay, this last one, not this one, but this one will be mirrored. Oh, but let me add. Double click here and I add this and this. Okay, mirror. What to mirror? This group of fillets about what plane? XY plane, and we'll have all of them. Okay, I think that we have only a hole here and we finish the model. The hole is this one. It has dimension, diameter of 6, and placement. I missed this dimension because of so many dimensions. We take a look here, 15 from the left. Good. Dimension from this vertical to this face of 15. Look here, what a complication. I move this outside to have a better vision here. Okay, diameter of 6 and distance from this face, because this is the designer's wheel. We turn back, we select this face, F7, we draw a line from this end to the right of 15, finish sketch, hold this position, diameter is 6 and the end is on this face. Okay, you see the hole is here to that internal volume. Okay, let's see now what is the volume of the part. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, home, double click, and the new dimension, new volume is here. There is not a big difference. I suppose some fillets are missing or added, but this is the result of our work in this model, on this model. Now I apply material, which is aluminum, for this part, you see here aluminio, yes, and I want to apply a special aspect which is gunmetal polished, but not antique polished, yes, and then we add aspects to faces. This internal is also machined. Here there are faces and faces to be machined. Also here, and you will select other if you want. With the aspect of titanium polished. I like this combination of colors. You can go to Tools, Document Settings, Shaded instead of shaded with edges, and you will have this object without lines. When you save the object, what means this? Shaded. Yes? Okay. I hope I placed all the fillets there. You'll see if I'm right or not. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.